Yan, we are doing some shampooing after the initial application of color. The first application of color will concentrate on the top area only, probably just to cover the, little bit of white hair on my forehead side. So right now, my hair technician is Juliet. Say hello. Hello. Oh, look, she's so cute. Oh, baka may mga, alam mo na. I'm here right now at Viveri Salon in Glorieta. Okay? So if you want to have an expert salon treatment for your hair, you must come here, okay? And look for the senior stylist here.
Miss Meg.
Miss Meg, one of the star stylists here at Viveri Salon, Glorieta. Wow, ang bango po na shampoo. Sarap refreshing. Lalo na I don't have any sleep. Parang gusto ko na matulog dito sa basin. Ganun po ka-relaxing ang ambience dito. Okay, I'll be back later. Bye.